श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. Hare Guruvayurappa Sharanam. We are into Dasaka 36 of Narayaniyam, which is Parashurama Charitam. Srimad Bhagavatam, Skanda 9, chapters 15 and 16 has described incarnation of Parashurama, and this is contains as Dasaka 36 of Narayaniyam by Sriman Bhattatiri. Parashurama was the sixth incarnation of Vishnu. He was the son of sage Jamadagni and Renuka Devi. Dattatreya, son of sage Atri and Anasuya, is described in Mahabharata as an exceptional rishi with extraordinary insights and knowledge, who is adored and raised to a guru and an avatar of Vishnu in Puranas. Kartavirya Arjuna, the king of ancient Hehaya, was a devotee of Dattatreya. Pleased with his devotion, Bhagavan Dattatreya conferred on him the 8 siddhis and promised his death only by Bhagavan's hand. With this blessing, Kartavirya Arjuna became drunk with power. He lost control of his senses and began to oppress humans, yakshas, and the very gods themselves. Around this time, other Kshatriyas too had become drunk with power and oppressed innocence for pleasure. To fulfill the boon given to Kartavirya Arjuna and to destroy the kings who submitted only to Kartavirya Arjuna's might, Vishnu was born as the youngest son of Jamadagni and Renuka Devi and was named Rama. At the age of 14 itself, Parashurama had mastered all the Vedas. Parashurama's parents were great spiritual achievers. His mother Renuka Devi had command over the water elements and his father Jamadagni over fire. It's even said that Renuka Devi could fetch water in an even wet clay pot. Once, Rishi Jamadagni asked Renuka Devi to fetch water. Somehow, Renuka Devi was distracted from the thought of being a woman and the clay pot broke. Seeing Renuka Devi wet and enraged by this, Jamadagni called his son Parashurama. He ordered Parashurama to cut Renuka Devi's head. The other sons had refused to obey to his instructions to do so. Parashurama obeyed his father. Rishi Jamadagni was so pleased with his son that he asked him for a boon. Parashurama asked Rishi Jamadagni to restore his mother back. Thus, Rishi Jamadagni, who was the owner of Divya Shaktis, brought back the life of Renuka Devi. Parashurama then went to Himalayas on the advice of sage Bhrigu to worship Shiva there, and as a blessing, Parashurama obtained Parasu. Parasu means axe from Shiva, and from then he was known as Parasu plus Rama, Parasurama. Parashurama's father Jamadagni brought the divine cow Kamadhenu to his ashram by prayer to please his wife Renuka Devi. King Kartavirya Arjuna was once returning back from war and rested at Jamadagni's ashram. Jamadagni gave hospitality to king and his army. King saw that Kamadhenu easily arranged food for all his army. He showed desire to have Surabhi, that is Kamadhenu, which can give anything you ask for. When Jamadagni refused because he needed the cow for his religious ceremonies, King Kartavirya Arjuna sent his soldiers to take the cow. Angered at this, the cow destroyed all the soldiers of the king. With the help of warriors, emerged from her body. But the evil emissary managed to steal the calf. These are the details in the 5 slokas which we are going to see here. The first sloka. अत्रे पुत्रतया पुरा त्वमनसूयायां हि दत्ताभिदो जातः शिष्यनिबन्धतन्द्रिदमनाः स्वस्थश्चरन् कान्दया दुष्टो भक्ततमेन हेहेयमहीबालेन तस्मै वरान् अष्टैश्वर्यमुखान् प्रदाय दधितस्वेनैव चान्देवथम्. Long ago, you were born as Dattatreya to the sage Atri and Anasuya. Mentally tired by the pesterings of the various disciples, you wandered about with your wife immersed in blissful peace. Thus, you were seen by the great devotee Kartavirya Arjuna, the king of Heheya. Pleased, you bestowed on him all psychic powers consisting of 8 siddhis and also promised him death by your hands in the end. Satyam kartumatharjunasya chavaram tachiktimatranadam brahmadveshi tathagilam nripakulam handum cha bhumerbharam संजादो जमदग्निदो भृगुकुले त्वं रेणुकायां हरे रामो नाम तदात्मजेश्वरज पित्रो रथा सम्मतम्. To fulfill the boon given to Kartavirya Arjuna, you were born to Jamadagni and Renuka in the line of Bhrigus by name Rama. You were the youngest among Jamadagni's sons and gave your parents great joy. Your purpose to be born as Rama was also to kill the whole clan of kings who were very impious and were a burden on the earth and were partly held in check only by Kartavirya Arjuna's valor. लब्ध्वाम्नाय गणश्चतुर्दशवयाः गन्धर्वराजे मनाक् आसक्ताङ्किलमादरं प्रतिपिदुः क्रोधाकुलस्याज्ञया तादाज्ञादिकसोदरैः सममिमां चित्वाथ शान्तात् पितुः तेषां जीवनयोगमापितवरं माता च ते दाद्वरान्. By the age of 14 years, though acquired the knowledge of the Vedas, your father was greatly enraged with mother, who was a little bit attached to the Gandharva king Chitraratha. By the command of your father, you cut the mother's head and also of brothers, as they had failed to carry out the same order of father. After father had calmed down, as a boon from him, you got to restore them to life. Your mother, also being pleased, gave you boons. Pitra madrumude stava hridaviyadhenor-nijadasramad prastayada brigor gira himagiro aradhya gauripadim labdva tatparashum tadukta-danujachedi mahastradigam प्राप्तो मित्रमथाकृतौ व्रणमुनिं प्राप्यागमस्वाश्रमम्. To please thy mother Renuka, father Jamadagni brought by prayer heavenly cow Kamadhenu to his ashram. On the advice of Bhrigu, you set out to Himalaya and worship Shiva. You were bestowed with a battle axe and other various divine missiles and killed the Asura pointed out by Shiva. Then, making friends with sage Agridavarna, you returned to ashrama. आखेडो भगदोऽर्जुनः सुरगवी सम्प्राप्त सम्पद्गणैः त्वत्पित्रा परिपूजित पुरगदो दुर्मन्त्रिवाजा पुनः कां क्रेतुं सजीवं न्ययुङ्क्तकृतिया तेनाभिरुन्धन्मुनि प्राणक्षेपसरोषगोहद चमूचक्रेण वल्सो हृद. The king Kartavirya Arjuna came hunting to the forest and was treated well by thy father with the riches and luxuries obtained from the celestial cow Kamadhenu. When the king returned to his town, he was ill-advised by his ministers to buy the cow. The king sent an emissary for the purpose, and thy father, sage, tried to resist his taking away the cow, and he was killed. Several warriors emerged from the furious divine cow and destroyed the whole army, but the calf was stolen by the king's army. This is the end of the 5th sloka of this Dasaka. And to end this video here, we will see Bhagavad Stuti. This sloka is from Narayaniyam, Uttama Bhakti Prarthana. तं चैनं भक्तियोगं दृढयतु मयि मे साध्यमारोग्यमायुः दृष्ट्या तत्रापि सेव्यं तव चरणमहो भेषजायेव दुग्धं मार्कण्डेयो हि पूर्वं गणगनिगदितद्वादशाब्दायुरुच्चैः सेवित्वा वत्सरं त्वां तव बडनिवहैः द्रावयामास मृत्युं. हरिः ओम्.